The guy had with the A4. He didn't, yeah. One I think I didn't really like was the Elron. He felt so
Too touchy?
sluggish. It's no heavy though, that's the reason. But
Yeah.
he felt so sluggish.
Oh, he's landing. Okay.
It's no, it's fine now.
It looked better. It looked more stable.
It doesn't have that pitch up thing that it used to. So you can flare it now. A little bit, yeah. But I didn't plan to flare it too much on landing, and I landed with a bit of a power, which is that's the way you should land it.
Is everybody good on time? Okay, we're taxiing out.
So hopefully next weekend I'll join you. Yes. No, I don't think I have the time to put it together though. But it's easy. They haven't shipped yet the parts, so if they ship them Monday, they'll be there next Monday.
They shipped a lot of other people's already. I don't know why they didn't ship yours.
But you ordered yours late a bit. So.
I ordered on like Sunday. You ordered like I ordered. It came out like Saturday. I ordered it Sunday.
No, it didn't came out Saturday. It came out midweek.
Ready?
Timer cleared.
Okay, taking off.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Frank, yours still does the
yeah. It does the wiggle.
Funky wiggle.
The wiggle.
So that I heard that's a tail heavy sign as well. People have been saying that.
Yeah.
Even with nose heavy, it does it. It's the rudder. The vertical stabilizers do it.
I like flying my F-15 just the way it is. It's off on the left.
No. The F-15 apparently can pull some nice high alphas as well.
Really?
People have been doing that.
No fire. Left to right.
Okay. I'll come with you.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Nice.
That is so awesome.
You don't keep stall so that you can pull high alpha.
I've never tried it with this plane. I haven't been brave enough.
Well, there's always the first. Yeah, almost right.
First time for everything.
Yeah, first time for everything. Yeah, and you've got the gyro, so you should be good.
It'll be all right with the gyro. It does weird stuff when it stalls, though.
Yeah, you should be. Yeah, don't. Yeah.
Okay, fast slow pass from the left. Taking over, Frank.
Holy shit. Damn.
It does pull a nice vertical though.
These aren't stock, that's for sure.
Time remaining 1
I like your power system, Ray.
Yeah, that's the 13 blade. This is a low performance pack too. So, with the 55 and 70 Cs, it's even better.
Landing from the left. We'll do the next row.
I don't think though Frank is much bit. You don't think Frank is lower than you.
Well, we're pretty well knocked.
He's got a high C pack though. I got a low C. When I put the high C packs, this thing screams.
Low speed? I don't get it.
10,
Is it? I swear it's a lot faster.
Low C, low C.
7, 6,
I have a 30 C instead of a 55 C.
battery light,
One.
so
Yeah.
low C.
time expired. Gear down.
That's what he said.
Landing.
Okay, I'm landing from the left as well.
And we do need brakes on them.
I'm one right to the right.
The right
Flaps
time.
up.
As just at the right time.
I could have flown a little longer, but I want to save the pack. Brand new pack. Now I'll fly it with the afterburner pack next time.
So you didn't use your lens?
I took it off.
Oh.
I have a 7-channel, and if I'd have plugged it in, it would have done weird stuff. So.
Man, that was awesome.
The nose wheel.